Retailers today are transforming their decision-making processes by harnessing the power of location data. This data encompasses not only where stores are situated, but also how they're distributed and how foot traffic behaves. By leveraging these insights, businesses gain a serious competitive edge, allowing them to make faster and smarter choices. Location data sets reveal market trends, consumer behavior, and optimal site selection strategy. With the right intelligence, retailers can boost foot traffic, tailor marketing efforts, and achieve significant growth in targeted regions. The ability to analyze competitors, understand regional purchasing patterns, and optimize store placement is now essential for staying ahead in the retail landscape. As we dive deeper, you'll see how location data is reshaping retail success. Retail store location dataset is a structured, machine-readable file packed with verified geographic and business information. It's built from public directories, mapping platforms, and retail websites, ensuring each record is validated for address accuracy, coordinate integrity, and correct category assignment. These datasets include store names, brand identifiers, full addresses, GPS coordinates, store categories, operating hours, and regional classification. This level of detail allows businesses to analyze competitors, optimize site selection, and understand consumer behavior with precision. Multiple industries, from logistics to commercial real estate, rely on this data for geographic precision. Without it, decisions carry compounding risks, such as suboptimal distribution centers or outdated competitor data. The accuracy gained from location intelligence is a game-changer for retail operations. Tracking competitors at the store level is a powerful use case for retail location data. By mapping where rival brands are concentrated or absent, businesses can identify market gaps worth targeting. Defensive teams can spot which stores sit within a competitor's expansion footprint before they arrive, giving them a strategic advantage. Or outputs include store density across cities, counties, and metros, market gaps where demand exceeds coverage, near real-time tracking of rival openings and closures, and direct network comparisons using regional store counts. This intelligence enables retailers to make informed decisions about expansion, marketing, and resource allocation. With location data, companies can proactively respond to market changes and maintain their competitive edge. Site selection is one of the most critical financial decisions for retailers. Location datasets transform this judgment-heavy process into a measurable evaluation, using geospatial data, demographics, income profiles, and foot traffic estimates. Factors like competitor proximity, anchor tenant traffic, population density, and demand drivers are analyzed to determine the best locations for new stores. Transit infrastructure, office concentrations, and retail clusters also play a role in these decisions. By relying on data-driven insights, retailers can minimize risks and maximize returns, ensuring their expansion plans are both strategic and sustainable. The ability to score potential sites based on real metrics leads to smarter investments and long-term growth. Every store opening or closing impacts the distribution equation. Logistics planners use verified store coordinates to simulate distribution scenarios before making infrastructure commitments. This approach replaces projected store counts with real travel distances for warehouse siting decisions. Route optimization platforms continuously rebalance delivery sequences as networks shift, cutting per-stop costs without manual reconfiguration. Accurate location data enables businesses to optimize their supply chain, reduce logistics costs, and improve delivery efficiency. By modeling delivery zones and catching infrastructure gaps early, companies can ensure their operations remain agile and cost-effective. The result is a supply chain that adapts seamlessly to changes in the retail landscape. Traffic research and shopper behavior analysis are only meaningful when anchored to verified store locations. Once GPS coordinates are confirmed, mobility signals can measure visit frequency, shopper origin patterns, dwell behavior, and seasonal traffic shifts. Accurate coordinates make behavioral analysis precise and reliable, allowing businesses to direct promotional spend toward locations with the strongest organic traffic. Early warning systems can identify declining visit rates before they impact revenue, enabling proactive marketing and operational adjustments. By understanding how shoppers move and behave, retailers can fine-tune their strategies to maximize engagement and sales. Commercial real estate investors and franchise developers rely on retail store location data to make informed decisions. Store density signals neighborhood commercial health, and coordinate-level data prevents trade area overlap and per-unit revenue loss. Corridors anchored by stable national retailers command premium lease rates and hold value through economic cycles. Analysts map verified locations, calculate category mix, and detect emerging brand clusters before valuations rise. Development teams build territory maps from actual store positions, modeling overlap before any new franchise application advances. This approach ensures sustainable growth and protects investment value. Marketing teams link digital campaigns to actual store locations, using verified addresses and coordinates to enable geofenced mobile advertising and localized promotions. Accurate listings on Google, Apple Maps, and major directory services are crucial for driving foot traffic. Inaccurate listings can directly cost foot traffic, as wrong addresses or outdated hours drive shoppers away. Continuous data updates maintain accuracy across large store networks, eliminating manual correction workflows. By connecting marketing efforts to real-world locations, retailers can maximize their reach and ensure their campaigns deliver results where they matter most. Verified, scalable retail store location data is essential for analytics platforms, logistics systems, investment tools, and marketing infrastructure. By including addresses, GPS coordinates, categories, operating hours, and area classification, businesses can replace subjective judgment with measurable inputs. Accurate coordinates allow teams to model delivery zones, optimize routing, and catch infrastructure gaps early. Regular data updates detect new openings, closures, and changes before obsolete records cause problems. Ultimately, location intelligence empowers retailers to make smarter decisions, reduce risks, and drive growth in a rapidly evolving market.